fill up my loads for this week. It's just one of those weeks that kind of everything fell apart at the last second, and now we're gonna piece the week back together. So I'll let you know at the end of the week what we end up making. I'm still gonna shoot for 5,000 to 6,500, even though it's a scramble. But it shouldn't be all that hard to do. I'll just, instead of pulling 2-3 loads on the week, I'll probably pull 6 or 7. So I'll get you guys a lot of unloading, reloading videos this week. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out as we go. Like I said, right now we're heading up into Nashville, right into Lebanon, which is right up by Nashville. So I'll show you guys pulling into their factory there for drive time. But as for that, I don't really know what to say right now. Kind of cruising along. We left out early this morning, and it's right now it's 9:55. So we got another, I don't know, 50 miles or so to get into drive time. We get these offloaded quick, and we're gonna head over to the rail yard and load up a load of Chryslers, and we'll go from there. But I got a phone call coming in, so I will talk to y'all in a minute. Alright folks, that's my load in front of me that I just delivered here at drive time. We are going to head out of here, head over to the rail yard, go get our next load of cars, actually our next load of trucks. It's 4 2500s and 2 journeys. So we're grabbing that on the way out of here, taking those back down to Knoxville, and deliver those. Probably do short runs back and forth all week. Just trying to piece the week together. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Have a good rest of your day. Here we're in Lebanon, Tennessee again at the Pilot. I just got done showering, just got done getting this load on. We're gonna call it a night. I will say this is my first time loading this many trucks on a Stinger. My last trailer was a Boydston. You couldn't do this on it, and I will tell you, you cannot load 4 2500s on this and make weight. I'm not going to say what my weight is, but I will say that you can make weight with it. But I will show you guys the load real quick. You guys take a peek at it, and if you have any suggestions, give me a holler. But yeah, 4 2500 diesels, they don't work. So just an FYI for the future. I won't do this one again, but we'll get this delivered because I don't pass any scale houses. But here's the load. Amazingly, I thought I'd be overweight on my trailer, on my drive axle here, but no, I made weight on the drive axle, and actually I weigh less on my steer axle right now than I do when I'm unloaded. So it's kind of neat if you think about it. Here's a quick little view of everything. Alright folks, I'll show you guys some more tomorrow when I deliver, and y'all have a good night.